This time on Road and Race, we make our little Clio look like a proper race car. In the last episodes, we tested out the new sport springs and track tyres we fitted to see how they affected handling, as well as showing how and why Gary got a faster lap time than me. This time I wanted to put down the spanners for a week and ignore the massive list of mechanical improvements we have planned to focus simply on aesthetics. Looking around, I'd seen a few options. The one I liked best was a decal set on eBay from Redberry. I wanted to get them in gold, but Gary said no, so we compromised and got white. Whilst waiting for those to arrive, I went and picked up the car from Gary. It was filthy. The numerous motorway journeys and track days had left a thick, dirty, greasy coating. Gary is the one usually Instagramming pictures of the cars he's cleaned, but that clearly only goes as far as his own RS, so it was up to me to give Nicole her bath. Now, there's no running water where I work on the cars, so even though I would have preferred to wash the car myself, I had no choice but to visit my local garden centre car park. After a 20-minute wait, a 6-minute clean, and £5 later, the results weren't too bad. The decals come in a cardboard tube and when unravelled look like this. You can just about see all the individual pieces. Yes, it was very windy when I shot this. So first up, it's a quick clean with a microfiber towel and then out with the scissors to cut out the door section. The blue rubber gloves are optional. Line the first piece up and gently affix it to the car with masking tape. Then run a longer piece of tape down the centre. Remove the blue backing paper as far as the halfway point and cut it off. Then gently fix it back to the car. Now, this probably isn't the way professionals do this, but I found it easiest to simply press the sticker to the car with my fingers. And then I use my Oyster card to press out any small air bubbles. Any public transport travel card would do an equally good job. I'll leave that choice up to you. With the first part stuck down, it's time to do my favourite part, the reveal. Cut the now redundant paper away and repeat as before and remove the blue backing paper. Then you can stick down the final half and peel off the top paper. As you can probably tell, the light was fading, so I just had time to make it cut where the sticker goes over the door open, and then I called it a night. The next morning I woke to admire my work so far. Looking good. Just had the door open to trim with some scissors. Next up is the flag logo to attach to the rear quarter. Same process as before. After repeating the work so far on the other side of the car, it was time to turn my attention to the front. Another cheap eBay purchase were these 3 stickers, and they fit onto the grille. Also in the kit was a number of additional stickers, one being this racing stripe. To be honest, I was in two minds whether to fit this, so I offered it up to the car quickly just to have a look. Took me a while to decide, but as this is still a road car, I didn't want to go too far, though on the day decided that it looked better without it. A less is more kind of approach. I can always add it later.